was just a girl.
Like diamonds in the sky fall. Yeah, yeah, except for me.
Cause it's always a good time.
Hello everyone, mabuhay! This is Shira Barles and welcome to She's Discoveries. Today's episode is all about design, snakes, and discovery as we dig into the systematics and identity of a rare native species, scientifically known as Oxyrhynchum lepornum and commonly known as the banded Philippine burrowing snake. Ready na ba mo? Ready na pud ko. Let's go!
This elusive snake is endemic to the Philippines, where it is found in the islands of Luzon, Mindoro, Cebu, Negros, and Panay. It belongs to a very interesting and less studied genus called Oxyrhynchum under the family Cyclocardiae, a family exclusive to the Philippines, which includes a secretive and burrowing snakes. Let's break down its taxonomic classification to understand exactly where it fits in the tree of life. Belong to the kingdom Animalia, it's an animal, phylum Chordata, because it possesses a notochord. Class Reptilia, order Squamata, suborder Serpentis, family Cyclocardiae, genus Oxyrhynchum, species Oxyrhynchum lepornum.
This classification tells us that this snake is a primitive, non-venomous, and a fossorial species, meaning it's adapted to living underground.
The species Oxyrhynchum lepornum was first described by the zoologist Albert Gunther in 1858. Gunther was a prominent herpetologist who contributed significantly to reptile taxonomy in the 19th century. The genus name Oxyrhynchum comes from Greek roots oxy meaning sharp, rhabdum meaning little rod, possibly referring to the snake's slender, elongated body.
The species name Leporinum may derive from a Latin word leporinus, to a rabbit-like, because this snake's behavior of burrowing or hiding may match like a rabbit.
The size is small and slender, generally less than 50 cm in total length. Body is cylindrical and smooth-scaled, adapted for burrowing through soil and leaf litter. Coloration, brownish or grayish base color and distinct dark brown to black. Transverse bands along the body. These bands are a major identification feature. Their head are slightly pointed, with a narrow snout ideal for burrowing, and their eyes are small with round pupils, an adaptation for a low-light environment underground. Their tail is short and tapered, not prehensile but unlike arboreal snakes. These characteristics makes the snake instantly recognizable if you studied it.
The characteristics that make this snake instantly recognizable is their bandered pattern, their small eyes, and also their slender burrowing body.
Fun fact! Although it's a snake, it spends most of its life underground. Unlike other snakes that we often see slithering out in the open, this one is secretive and prefers the quiet, damp world beneath the surface.
Now you might ask, why should we care about the little snake that hides underground? Well, this burrowing snake plays an important role in our ecosystem. It helps control populations of small invertebrates, such as the insects and worms, maintaining a natural balance in soil ecosystems.
So how to preserve this species? We must support deforestation and habitat preservation, raise awareness about endemic Philippine wildlife, push for scientific research funding to study Cyclocardiae and other lesser-known species, and avoid the use of harmful pesticides and engage in sustainable farming near forest edges.
So there you have it, the banded Philippine burrowing snake, a hidden gem in Philippine biodiversity. So let's do our part in keeping native wildlife safe and thriving.